Hello out there, guys, and everybody else. Um, this is my Frog FRG 7700 from Yaesu. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that little lamp is out right there. And I replaced it once and it immediately blew back out, so apparently I put the wrong value in it. Anyway, this is your VFO unit. I disassembled it, took all the knobs, and I made little plastic bags, put the parts in, so it's easy to put them back where they go. Anyway, for those of you that have never seen a disassembled FRG7 it's right here. I got to take this VFO unit out through these 4 screws, and the bulb, I got to take the reflector off, put another bulb in it, test it, put it back together. Anyway, thanks for watching, and when I get the bulb back in, I'll make another video to show you how it works. Thanks for watching.